Sunday is the creativity. I'm telling you guys, we just got summoned up to the three-star general's office to report on the successful experiment down at the explosive ordnance demolition school. So one of my students took the creativity lessons that I've been doing for us, and I had him create some leadership training exercises for the explosive ordnance demolition school down at Hurlburt Airfield. And by the second session, the individual students, who are all bomb squad demolition experts, are running the sessions themselves to learn how to do it and internalize the view. And it was astonishing how successful that was. The senior NCOs, now I want to tell you, there is nobody that is more skeptical and grounded in evidence than senior non-commissioned officers, senior sergeants that are in bomb disposal. Those guys do not play around. They are serious people. And their unanimous report back to their brigade commander, a full colonel, was, this is amazing stuff, and it's changing the way they are looking at problem solving and performance improvement inside their own demolitions school. These are the guys that are teaching our demolitions experts. So that upon hearing that testimony, the three-star summoned us up to his office to figure out how we can export this across all of Army University, which is 7,000 faculty and 200,000 students every year. And this stuff is working, and creativity turns out to be the foundational skill that you need in order to be adaptive in chaotic times. So we got a deal on the creativity course right now. I'm open to doing more and accommodating your situation, but I wouldn't wait. You know, the slots fill up pretty quick, and I can only coach so many people. Good news is I got half a dozen teaching assistants who can lead you successfully through that course, because I've been beating them up for 30 weeks. So if you want a reduced rate and do it with a teaching assistant instead of with me, we can arrange for that too. So contact me if you're interested, and we'll get it working. I just think it's that important. Take good care, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow. And Sunday morning, again, the Creativity 202 cohort for session 3, and we'll see you then. Take good care.